What's up guys, Sadia here, and today I want to talk about my journey of conquering my fear of winter in Montreal. Growing up in a city where it never snows, I fell in love with the beauty of snow when I first encountered it. But then I moved to Canada and everything changed. I remember this one time I got stuck in a snowstorm with temperatures going like minus 25 or something. And it was so scary. I was waiting for the bus that never arrived. And that was like the scariest experience of my life. And after that, I became so afraid of winter, I refused to go out. Like, I was like, if it's cold, I'm staying in. So last winter, I pretty much stayed indoors almost the whole season. It's almost like I hibernated at the beginning of the winter and then I opened my eyes and the winter was over. So I started small, taking small walks around my neighborhood, doing small outdoor activities here and there, even tried to learn ice skating at some point. So today, when my friend invited me to the dinner, instead of taking the metro, which would have been the wise decision probably in hindsight, I decided to walk 25 minutes in winter to my friend's place. Also, Montreal is a really beautiful city, so I don't want to miss out on all of the beauty it has to offer during winter. So, I'm making this commitment to myself to embrace the winter and all of its challenges and go out and see the beauty it has to offer in winter. Don't let your fears define you.